The 19th of October 2025. I've just invested in a Woody's DIY Vernier calipers, Chinese make, made in China, put on it, stamped on it in France. And this is it here. It comes in a plastic box. How long that'll last, the road to hell is paved with good intentions, but generally speaking, these things get separated in use in the hectic goings on in the workshop. Anyway, this is it here, a Vernier calipers. Some will not understand what they are. This is in inch and millimeters, and it has a little, just a basic thing here. It's 0.02 mil or 1/1000 of an inch. And the way the work is, you have the inches and the millimeters on a top and a bottom scale on the main bar, and the sliding part here, the veneer part, has subdivisions. Now, an example of the way that works, and I don't think I'm going to try it here. You have 50 mil here on the top bar accurately, and then this sliding bar is 50 divides, but it's 49. There's only 49 mil from here to here. This is 50, and so this subdivides 1 mil by 50, giving you 0.02. And the inches work the same way. Now you'll get videos there to tell you how to use them. When you're used to it, it doesn't matter. Anyway, this is tactic. Now, years ago, I bought a brand new, expensive Moore and Wright. There is the old box. Now, by the way, this video is for vintage people. It's not for standard politics or anything. Yeah, Moore and Wright. You see the M just there. So I bought a Moore and Wright, and when I had it a while, wasn't this scale stuck on? It was only imperial inches. It was stuck on with glue, and it came off. When it got a bit of oil on it, it just came off. I was very disappointed that they couldn't have attached it with screws or with a little bit of silver solder. This one has little screws attaching it, so it's well made. And I've looked at it for accuracy, and it's quite accurate. See, they've driven the whole manufacture out to China. And see, the Vernier, it has a depth as well. The depth gauge here, you see, reads here. You can read the depth. So they're a must-have in a workshop. And it has a little retainer here. You tie this here, it stiffens this. This here has the same function as the same on the micrometer calipers. Anyway, it's tactic Vernier calipers. And often with Chinese stuff, you worry that they'll not be accurate. This is accurate. I've checked it out there, and it's grand. And good little steel screws used throughout, and a scale here after it. Now, my battery's getting low. Anyway, that's the thing. They're not bad quality. Now, the other thing is, this is a micrometer caliber here. And this is a 1 inch. It's 25 millimeter. This is metric. And this is a stirret. And they're an American one, and they're very good quality. And they have a thimble here. The parts are the anvil, the spindle, the barrel. And here's the scale on the side. And one turn of this is 0.5 millimeter. And this is subdivided into 50. So it measures down to 0.001, 1/100 of a millimeter. That's very good. And this here is a 2 inch one. This is Japan, but it says it's Draper. Now, I thought Draper was all Chinese. This is 1 to 2 inch, but it says Japan on it. So again, you have this thimble to make sure you have equal pressure all the time. And this part here breaks on every one of them. I've never known them to last. It's a little retainer, but you can put an elastic band around it and it'll do that. So measuring is very important. Do you ever notice this is a Mercer dial indicator? This is for use on machine tools, and it has a little thing on the back here. But Mercer, if you're in hospital, the nurses always have some kind of a clock or watch, and it's made by Mercer. So anyway, that's the story. So the main point is, anyway, folks, this is not bad at all. But the only thing is, when I went up, I thought I'd convince the people in Woody's that I was a senior citizen and get 10% off. It's $22.99. And she said, I'm afraid you're not old enough. You know, I was a bit chuffed in one way, and another way a bit disappointed, you know. But anyway, that's it. There is 10% off for senior citizens. I'm just not holding enough, unfortunately. That's the problem. Now you need to treat them with a bit of care. My last one died from long abuse. I got good value out of it, and I got bent here, and several things happened in the heat of the workshop, and so that's the story. But anyway, all I can say is that as far as I'm concerned, this is a good little micrometer, a good little Vernier calipers. I take this wee bit of steel here and measure. I can see straight away that's a short of 7. It's 7.6 millimeter thick. So very useful thing. We'll let you go. A little box with it until it's lost. Little box, and that's it. Bye bye. We'll see you soon. Good luck. Thank you.